Yeah. So hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. We are continuing our journey on standard of program management. In my previous video, we talked about program management performance domains. There are 5 performance domains which we already discussed, and we have chosen program strategy alignment to discuss. Program strategy alignment, it's a performance domain that identifies program outputs and outcomes and benefits are aligned with the organization goals and objectives. It has 5 major sections like business case, program charter, roadmap, environmental assessments, and risk management strategy. The previous video we discussed about business case, charter, and roadmap. Today we're going to discuss about environmental assessments. We need to understand what does it mean in the context of the program. How does it fit into performance domain of strategic alignment? If you look at the environmental factors that influencing the program can be internal or external, program managers should identify these influences and need to consider it into account while managing the program to ensure ongoing stakeholder alignment and strategic alignment are in the context of the program. The alignment is continuing in terms of organizational strategic goals and objectives towards the program. So it's very much important to understand the where the influences is coming from. It could be external as well as internal. We'll see some of the examples of internal and external, and we need to consider that the continued alignment of these factors in terms of strategic alignments. The environmental assessment has two broader categories. One is enterprise environmental factors, and the second one is environmental analysis. The enterprise environmental factors, the examples are like business environment, market, technology, geopolitical things, discoveries and inventions, cultural diversity, regulatory, industrial, right? It can be, compliance. So these are the environmental factor that could be internal, external, right? So market is an external one, regulator is external one, resources, something very internal, right? These factors will influence the selection and design and funding and management of the program. These enterprise environmental factors refers to the conditions that influence, constrain, and direct the program. So based on this factor, either we can go for a decisions like make or buy, or how do we execute the program, how do we choose the components, all these influences which is highly influenced by the external or environmental factors. Important area is in enterprise environmental factors is the environmental analysis, right? So a number of analysis you can do that is used to assess the validity of the program's business case and program management plan. The first one is the comparative advantage analysis. A typical business case includes analysis and comparison against the real and hypothetical, alternative scenarios. So what if analysis to illustrate how the program's objectives and benefits could be achieved. So you can compare and see that, you can see the benefits and which is the right set of programs you can get in. The second is the feasibility studies. This process assess the feasibility of the program within the organization of financial, sourcing, complexity, and constraint profile. Whether you want to go out of the program or not, this process will help you. SWOT analysis will help you, it's a valuable input to the development of the program risk management strategy. It provides information about optimizing the program charter and program management plan. It could be part of a feasibility analysis or business case. The final two environment analysis are assumption analysis. Assumptions are factors that are considered to be true, real, or certain. These are identified during the business case development and it's part of planning process. So when the assumptions are going wrong, it is improving the increasing the risk part of it. So assumptions are very important part of risk assessment. And historical information analysis, that helps you to identify the similar programs and projects, the lessons learned and best practices from the similar executions. The artifacts, metrics, and risk and estimations of previous program will help you to analyze and have an right set of choices of the program. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a fair idea about the environmental factors that influence the program selection. Okay, so thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.